Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, Touch, then Assistive Touch, turn it on now. You're doing this to get a persistent, customizable floating menu. It saves time and reduces physical taps. Once Assistive Touch is enabled, tap Customize Top-Level Menu to begin changing icons. You'll replace or add controls, so pick ones you use most. Make sure to keep one shortcut for Home or App Switcher, because those are the most useful for navigation and quick access. Once in the top-level menu, tap an existing icon to replace it or tap the plus sign to add a slot. iPhone allows up to 8. Choose from system actions like volume, screenshot, or create a custom gesture. That's how you record multi-finger swipes or taps. Make sure to name custom gestures clearly so you remember what they do. Also examine long press and single tap settings under Customize. Assign different behaviors to a single button for smarter control. Finish by testing every button in real use. Open apps, take a screenshot, try the custom gesture. This confirms your layout works. If a custom gesture fails, delete it and record again. Imprecise recordings cause erratic behavior. If the floating menu doesn't show, toggle Assistive Touch off and on, and restart the iPhone if needed. Finally, make small tweaks. Moving commonly used icons to the first position saves time, and syncing with backtap gives extra shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.